Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will identify common nouns, proper nouns, and use them correctly in sentences. What is a noun? Turn and talk to your partner. Remember to pause the video to have some thinking and discussion time. Okay, Jamila, I see you have your hand raised. So, what do you think a noun is? A noun names a person, place, or thing. Yes, you are correct. A noun is a word used to identify people, places, things, or ideas. Nouns can be identified as common nouns and proper nouns. So let's learn about common nouns. Common nouns are the general names of people, places, things, or ideas. For example, dog, book, shelf, boy, etc. We will look at more examples in the next slide. And remember, common nouns do not have to be capitalized. Here we can look at a few more examples of common nouns. Nouns name a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. An example of a person can be a boy, a baby, a girl. An example of a place can be home, school, park. An example of animal can be cat, dog, pig. An example of idea can be love, fear, strength. An example of thing can be chair, sun, car. And notice how they all have not been capitalized. They're common nouns and they do not have to be capitalized. We will now learn about proper nouns. Proper nouns name specific people, places, things, or ideas. For example, Mrs. Breyer, Fido, Italy, James Arthur, Public Library. We will look at more examples in the next slide and keep in mind that all proper nouns have to be capitalized. Let's look at some examples of proper nouns. A proper noun names a specific person, place, thing, day of the week, months of the year, or holiday. Example of proper nouns in the persons category can be Mrs. Jones, Dr. Smith. In the days and months of the year category, February, Monday. In the place category, Albertsons, Clark Elementary. In the holiday category, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving. In the thing category, Ford F-150, Pepsi. These are all specific names of people, places, holidays, days of the week, months of the year, and things. And they all have to be in capital letters. Yes, They all have to be capitalized. Now we will learn how to use common nouns and proper nouns in sentences. Here are some sentences using common nouns and proper nouns. Number one, Monica and Chandler have been friends since their college days. Monica and Chandler have been highlighted in purple. They are proper nouns. They have been capitalized. Friends, college, and days have been highlighted in green. They are common nouns. They have not been capitalized. Number two, I'm going to play chess with my friends. Chess and friends are common nouns. They're highlighted in green and they have not been capitalized. You all are doing fantastic. Let's look at a few more examples, okay? Here are some sentences using common nouns and proper nouns. James Arthur Public Library is near my school. James Arthur Public Library is highlighted in purple. It is the specific name of a public library. It is a proper noun and it was capitalized. School is a common noun and it was not capitalized. High school, common noun, not capitalized. In number four. So let's read number four together. My high school is located in Los Angeles, California. High school again is a common noun and it has not been capitalized and it's highlighted in green. Los Angeles, California has been highlighted in purple and it is a proper noun, name of a city and state in the United States of America. So we have to capitalize these names of the city and the state. I hope you had fun learning about nouns today. Let's see how much you remember. Please fill out the exit ticket before you leave. Directions. Identify the common nouns and proper nouns. Proper nouns can be highlighted in purple and common nouns can be highlighted in green. Jimmy lives with his grandmother in Bronx, New York. Number two, Juana never got a chance to visit Europe. She wants to go next summer. You may pause the video to finish your exit ticket. Thank you, Brian, for collecting the exit tickets. We can now go over the answers. Number one, Jimmy lives with his grandmother in Bronx, New York. Jimmy and Bronx, New York are specific names of people, a city, and a state. So they have been capitalized and they have been highlighted in purple. They are proper nouns. Grandmother is a common noun. It has been highlighted in green and it has not been capitalized. Juana never got a chance to visit Europe. She wants to go next summer. This should have been number two, not number four. Juana and Europe have been highlighted in purple. They are specific names of people, and Europe is a continent. It is the specific name of a continent. It has been capitalized. Juana has been capitalized. They are proper nouns. Summer is a common noun. It has been highlighted in green. Seasons such as winter, spring, summer, and fall do not require capitalization because they are generic common nouns. You did a great job today. In today's lesson, we learned about common nouns, proper nouns, and how to use them in sentences. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.